Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we take a trip around the bright continent of Africa. Today, we're taking a trip to the heart of Africa without leaving home. The Congo has a vibrant culinary scene. Beneath the surface lies a rich tapestry of flavors and ingredients. From Kinshasa markets to family kitchens fragrant with spices, we're uncovering the true taste of the Congo. Let's get cooking. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Congolese cuisine with poulet à la mwambe. Imagine tender chicken bathed in a rich, nutty sauce made with mwambe, a paste from palm nuts, fragrant garlic and onions, and creamy peanut butter. It's served with fluffy fufu or steaming rice. No exploration of Congolese cuisine is complete without fufu. Picture this, a warm, inviting mound of fufu, made from cassava, maize, or plantain flour, pounded until it transforms into a smooth, elastic dough. It's a communal experience, a celebration of simplicity and tradition. Dive into a bowl of comfort food with saka saka, also known as pondu. This vibrant dish starts with cassava leaves, slow-cooked with peanut butter, palm oil, and salted fish. Each bite is a journey through Congo's diverse flavors, a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of its people. Prepare to be transported back in time with le bouquet de poisson, fresh tilapia or catfish, wrapped in banana leaves, grilled with tomatoes, onions, chilies, and spices. As the fish steams, it absorbs all the aromas, resulting in a visually stunning and flavorful dish. Our culinary adventure takes us to the Congo shores with makayabu, a dish showcasing the country's love for salted fish. Dried salted fish is simmered with ripe tomatoes, sharp onions, and vibrant palm oil. The result is a savory, slightly salty stew served with plantains or fluffy rice. Get ready for a taste of fusion with madesu, a dish that marries Congolese ingredients and French culinary techniques. This red bean stew is a staple in many Congolese homes, simmered with palm oil, onions, and sometimes enriched with meat or smoky fish. Madesu is often paired with crusty baguettes, especially in urban areas. In a world of fast food, kwanga stands as a testament to traditional cooking. This fermented cassava bread, wrapped in leaves and steamed, is a staple in Congolese cuisine. Imagine breaking off a piece of warm kwanga to scoop up flavorful stews, grilled meats, or spicy sauces. Now let's talk about chikwanga, a denser, more elastic cousin of kwanga. This pre-colonial gem showcases Congolese food preservation techniques. It's the perfect snack on the go, found sizzling on street corners and enjoyed by all. No exploration of Congolese cuisine is complete without a dose of heat. Pili pili, meaning pepper in Swahili, is more than just a sauce. It's a way of life. This fiery condiment, a blend of chili peppers, garlic, oil, and lemon juice, shows Portuguese influence. Just a small dollop is enough to ignite your taste buds. Let's end our culinary adventure with beignets congolais, also known as mikate. These golden brown fried dough balls are little bites of happiness. Savor them for breakfast with sweetened tea or as an afternoon snack. Beignets congolais remind us that good food and good company bring people together. A glimpse into the vibrant and flavorful world of Congolese cuisine. From slow-simmered stews to hand-pounded fufu, Congolese food showcases resilience, creativity, and deep-rooted traditions. These dishes tell stories of history, family, and a deep connection to the land. Until next time, happy cooking!